Hello everyone, my name is Bernard Jan de la Cruz and I'm gonna show you how to encode the number systems. Tutorial on how to encode the number systems. Number systems are fundamental frameworks for representing and manipulating number and computing. They are crucial for various tasks from programming to data storage and processing. Here's a brief overview of the primary number systems and their significance. Number. A number is a symbol which is used to express a quantity or amount. Number system. There are four types of number system. 1. Binary number system. 2. Octal number system. 3. Decimal number system. 4. Hexadecimal number system. Base. The number of symbols which is used to express the amount or quantity in a number system is known as base. Number system. Decimal base 10, 09. Binary base 2. Octal base 8, 07. Hexadecimal base 16, 09 and AF. And thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Steven Kasublik-Sikalog and I'm gonna show you how to encode decimal to binary. So firstly, let's have an example right here. 18, decimal 18. And why ngano nakakuha mo siya inani? So atong gikuan dire is first you will find how you can add to get 18 using the geometric sequence. So is easy ra day. Ngita kag numbers na pwede ma-add diri sa geometric sequence. So gibutang niya 28, pwede ba makahimog 18? Dili. Butang nimo 0. 64, dili gyapon 0. 32, dili gyapon di ba? 0. 16, yes, pwede siya makahimog 18 gamit ang 16. So butang ka diya 1. Si 8, pwede? Dili. Dili, kay mulapas na, di ba? So, si 4, pwede pa ba? Dili, kay mulapas gyapon. Si 2, pwede, di ba? 16 plus 2 is 18, di ba? So, butang ni mo 1. Si 1, dili na, kay murag mulapas na, di ba? So, nara, ang solve na to. 16 plus 2 equals 18. Ibutang din mo ang base kay para mailhan na imong gi-compute si decimal to binary. So, sa 67, ngano nakakuha ta ginani? Hello everyone and welcome back. So, how we can this number, how we can make it into binary? So it's simple. Here it says 67. So it starts with 60. So where's the 60 here? Start with 60 na number. Baka na eh. So ito i-put yung 1. So next, sa pang-i-add nimo. 'Di ba? 2. 'Di ba? 2. So butang na to 1 ya. So naman 66 naman. So last one is 4. This one, number 1. So atong i-put dia 1. So here you have it, the binary niya. Mo niyang binary. Atong encoded ang decimal to binary. So here's your answer. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Mart Carlo Felisilda. I'm from ICT4, binary to decimal. How to solve? First, you will find that 27 there is a geometric. Example number 1. What is a 0110111? You're going to start in the right first value, which is you're going to put number 1. The second value we're going to put and which is you double it or times by 2. The third value, which is a 0, you're going to put 4 because the 0 is times to 2 squared and equals 4. Then the fourth value put 8, and the fifth value put 16, and the last one value is a put 32. Then you're going to focus to all number 1, because the all number 1 you're going to plus all of them. So let plus 16 8 16 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1, it's all 27.
Binary to octal. Split the binary number into groups of 3 digits. From right, convert each group directly into octal digits. How to solve? You divide to binary code into 3, then you do the number sequence on the surface, starting from 1, 2, 4, so you can get the answer.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Rainer Dasenlacre. I am here to discuss our topic, and my part is explaining binary to hexa. So right now, I will make you understand how does it work. So if ever mo ni inyong binary 1101011011. So divide to 4 na sila, kay imo man na silang ambakan upat-upat. 1101 upat. Ana pud mo butang ka diri o kuan murag line ana. 1011 line, 0110 line, 1011. So ana na pud. So mo na ni sila. Na divide na sila, mo na sila ikuan diri ana. Line. So 1011 0110 1101. So imo na silang i-convert to hex. So mo ni ang table ani. So 1101 naman tong D. Mo ni. So mo ni ang kuan sa kung i-convert mo siya to hex. So 0110 nara 6 nara 1011 mo ning B. Mo ning B kini ana. So kung makuha ninyo ang hexadecimal number, nanion na ninyo 1101 0110, inyo namang na-convert, so butang nyo dari D68, and that's your hexadecimal number. That's all. Thank you.
So hello guys, my name is Anas Rapes Magid. Summary: geometric sequences are utilized to analyze complex patterns and trends in data. They are especially useful when dealing with exponential growth or decay in data sets.